Today, I want to walk you through how Sprintly supports product teams to build the right products in an AI native way. Instead of talking about it in an abstract manner, let's use a real world example with a day in the life of a PM at slickdeals. Now, most AI tools in the market today have optimized for speed. They help you write a PRD or summarize feedback faster. But moving faster doesn't really matter if your team is running in the wrong direction. Organizations are ultimately looking for business outcomes like revenue, retention, and engagement. And that's where we take a completely different approach to hit those high level business goals. We do this by continuously ingesting data across your entire stack, from your platform to your customer tools. But our core differentiator is what we call an outcome linked organizational memory. Sprintly doesn't just store this data, it maps it against your historical roadmap. It remembers what you shipped, what problems you were trying to solve, the strategy you took, and the exact user behavior that drove those metrics. We use these insights to help influence your future roadmap, ensuring that what you build actually drives value. To get started, I want to walk you through day one of using Sprintly. Your team already has a roadmap with a list of projects to drive your quarterly or half year goals. On day one, we ingest that roadmap and stress test it, looking at assumptions that may not match the data or ground truth. We highlight these gaps while also surfacing high impact opportunities your team might have missed. For the projects you choose to move forward with, we instantly generate both a human readable and machine readable PRD that can be consumed by an LLM. We also generate engineering tickets and sync them directly with your project management tool so engineers can pick them up and execute. Simultaneously, we spin up an interactive prototype right inside the platform. Because we have access to the UI of your product, we're able to generate this prototype to look exactly like your product. You can share this with your team or your customer for feedback. This is a great artifact for team level alignment where the entire team can review the problem, solution, and interact with it. Your team can add feedback right on top of it, and it will regenerate in real time. From there, there's no manual copying for engineers. We send all of this information through the ticket, and the engineering team can access everything, the context, the specs, the evidence, directly in their development environment through MCP. Once the engineering team builds and ships these features, the loop completely closes. We automatically spin up a dashboard to track the performance of the feature against your target metrics, feeding those learnings right back into our knowledge graph to inform better decision making for the next cycle. On a daily basis, we continuously monitor product usage and competitor moves, highlighting new opportunities or emerging threats so your team can take immediate action. Because of the knowledge graph and the various agents that we have, you can ask Sprintly a question like, what are the top 3 things that I can do to improve retention by 5%? And it will pull data from the knowledge graph, conduct the necessary analysis, and give you an evidence-based response, including defining retention, looking at retention drivers, retention opportunities, and coming up with a strategy with details on how to achieve that. For future road mapping, Sprintly serves as a co-pilot. It takes top-down inputs like leadership guidance and team goals alongside feature requests from partner teams. It then generates a comprehensive report of opportunities, including data science reports and competitive intelligence, user feedback reports, and helps the team develop core themes and a finalized project list. It can do project sizing and help with sequencing. To scale this securely, we built an enterprise governance. This ensures anti-hallucination and guarantees a human in the loop for important milestones. Your team defines the guardrails, whether it's pricing logic or privacy rules. Anytime the AI creates a PRD, strategy doc, or competitive analysis, we enforce a human checkpoint for these important decisions. Finally, the platform has over 70 pre-built skills, including competitive analysis, go-to-market planning, and leadership updates. You can automate any of these. For example, you can schedule a monthly update skill that reviews everything the team worked on, generates an executive summary, and hands it to you to review and share with leadership. Your team can also add their own skills, and everyone in your organization can get access to it. With all of this, what Sprintly is doing is helping your teams ensure that they are building the right thing in an AI native way, completely align with your core business goals, while making the system smarter with every single cycle.